I just thought I'd do a quick video on Beauty Pie hits and misses. So I haven't actually tried every single thing in Beauty Pie before because that would be a bit extreme. But I do have a Beauty Pie subscription, and I have tried quite a few bits from Beauty Pie. I've only got the £5 a month one though, just because I don't want to go crazy, and I just wanted to actually see how far £5 a month gets me. And I've actually been with Beauty Pie for like over a year now, so I think I've got a good idea. So for me personally, £5 a month is fine, which basically gives me £50 retail value to spend every month. But what I do is just not spend every month, and I'll kind of build it up, so then some months I'll have like 100 or 150. Also, if I refer people, then I get some money as well. So I'm going to start off with makeup bits first, because I haven't got a lot of them. Skincare is definitely the biggest lot of stuff I've tried from Beauty Pie. So the first thing I have got is the triple liquid luminizer. So this is like a cream highlight. This is really, really nice. I didn't use this for a couple of months and it kind of like dried out, so I've still got a tiny bit left. But generally I thought it was really nice. It was like a nice highlight, and I also got the shade Golden Well, which was like a really, really nice shade for my skin tone. I got the Illuminated Drops, which are basically just like the Iconic London Drops. They are really, really good, but I didn't really like the shade range in them. I didn't feel like they gave me the glow that the Iconic London ones give. And I actually tried the Beauty Pie ones before the Iconic London ones, and I was really happy with them, but it's just the shade range. Like, I think the darkest of the golden shimmer, whatever it was called, it just looked a bit too kind of like silvery on my skin tone. It looked a bit too ashy, didn't look right. So if there was more shades in that, I might not have bothered trying the Iconic ones. But now that I've got the Iconic ones and I love them, I do think the Iconic ones are better. They're worth that price, higher price, because they just give you this ultimate glow. And the eyebrow pencil, which is like the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and that is really nice. It's lovely. It's just not as smooth and gel-like, but I kind of got rid of that, so I can't show you. And all the Beauty Pie mascaras, I've tried like 2 or 3 of them, and I've loved all of them. I've even got a video of me using one of them on my Instagram or IGTV somewhere, but really, really good. I've got the all-in-one, Wonder Illuminating Primer. This is really, really good. I've obviously got the darker shade of this. It's a really nice primer, really like nice canvas for your makeup. It's smooth, it is just really great. So mine is almost finished now, so I will definitely be getting another one of these, because this is really, really good primer. Such a good price point. You can use it every day. Didn't break out, held onto my makeup, just all around really, really good. And then the other last makeup bit I've got is the quick contour. So this is a quick contour gel. You've got like a cushion bit at the top, and you just push it up. Honestly, so much product comes out of this. I've got the shade 02, which isn't the darkest one, but this is very, very pigmented. I literally just press my brush onto it and then contour with it. But it's a really nice, like, blendable, buildable contour. Lasts all day again. And then I just do like powder contour on top. But again, like, this is almost nearly finished too, and I'll definitely be getting that again because it's very good. Then I've got a couple of hair care bits. So I'll go into hair care and then I'll go into the skincare, because I've got a lot of Beauty Pie skincare. So again, this is nearly finished, but this is the Super Healthy Hair repair treatment. So you put this into your hair kind of like every other wash, or twice a week, once a week, after shampooing, and you kind of just leave it in for, I think it says 3 to 5 minutes. So in that time you can shave your legs, do the rest of your body, clean, whatever you need to do, and then wash it out. And I've noticed, like, my hair, if I even just using it once a week, it makes such a nice difference to my hair. It just feels so much more healthier, and when I curl my hair after I've used this treatment, like, the curls just last really long. Even when I'm just drying my hair, I can feel like how smooth it is. So I really recommend this. It's really good. And because this was so good, I also got the volume booster. So this you kind of just drop into your hair, like after you've washed your hair, come out of the shower and you can just like add this in as a serum, and it doesn't weigh down your hair. So you know, like especially if I've got long hair, so when I put too much product in it after the shower, like the more product I put in it after I've washed it, it will just pull my hair down, so my curls or my style or whatever it is doesn't last as long because the product is weighing it down. But this is actually really weightless, and I have noticed that my hair just looks more like volumized, if you can tell. So yeah, I really like this. By the way, this hair mask smells so good. Just before I forget, I have got the Beauty Pie like makeup case, which I absolutely love. I think I did like a whole video on that like a couple of months ago, just before around Christmas time. Love it. Like literally the perfect makeup case. I've got two, one for my makeup, one for my skincare for when I go away. Right, now I'm going to move on to skincare. So I've got quite a lot of skincare. One of the first things I tried from Beauty Pie was these super active capsules, hyaluronic acid and biopeptide capsules. So basically just a really good serum for like hydrating your skin and giving you your skin that booster and boosting the collagen in your skin. These are great to use in the morning or the evening. I tend to use these in the morning. Because these were so good, I then got the purple ones, which are basically made from fruit enzymes, keeping your skin like hydrated, plump, and these also help with like scarring. And the great things about all these capsules is that if you're traveling, you can just take out some of these and just, rather than having to take the whole thing, you can just take out a couple of these and then use them as and when you wish. So these again you can use morning or night. I like to use these in the morning as well. Because I liked these two so well, I then got like sheer pink ones which have ceramide and the glycolic acid in them. These take quite a while to sink into your skin, so it says you can use them day or night, but I definitely prefer to use these at night because they take a while to sink into your skin, and I just feel like they're more of a thicker serum than these ones. Because I liked one of these so well, I then got the vitamin C ones, which is probably what most people start off with. But I'm not a big fan of vitamin C, but I just feel like I do need to start using vitamin C once or twice a week because it's just good for your skin. But that's all I would use. So these are the vitamin C and E capsules. So great for brightening your skin, and I've been using these once or twice a week in the mornings. But yeah, all these capsules, like honestly, these are like probably the best thing I have got from Beauty Pie. These capsules are really good serums. Then I have the Ginseng and Root Ginger Eye Cream, which I love. I use this every single day in the mornings because it's a really nice lightweight eye cream, so I can still wear makeup on top. Because I liked this so much, I then also ordered the moisturiser just to try it. The moisturiser is great for dehydrated skin. Also got the ginseng root and ginger. It's brightening, it's hydrating, it's like a really nice lightweight formula. The Japan Fusion Transforming Cleanser. This removes makeup amazingly, so you just take it, work it into your hands, and it's like a really nice balm, and you just like balmy texture, and it basically removes all your makeup if you put it onto dry skin. As soon as you add water, it turns into like a milky texture, and it just feels so nice and soothing on your skin. So this is a really good makeup remover. So the next one, this isn't going to be a miss, but this is the triple hyaluronic acid. I really like this. It is nice, but I've tried other hyaluronic acids. I'm obsessed with the Vichy Mineral 89, and even the ordinary hyaluronic acid is really nice. I just feel like they seem to do more to my skin and hydrate my skin, and I notice a bigger difference when I'm not using those compared to this. It's good, but like triple hyaluronic acid kind of, you know, you expect like, I don't know, I just expected more results. So it's not a miss, but I just think that there's better out there. But then if anyone's tried this and loves it, please let me know. Not a miss, but the Beauty Pie Dr. Glycolic pad. So I have done a post comparing these pads to the Dr. Glycolic, the Dr. Tetanus Gross exfoliating pad because I'm guessing this is what this is benchmarked against. The Dr. Dennis ones are obviously very expensive. They're like £89. This is obviously like a third of the price, but the Dr. Dennis ones have a lot more ingredients in them, retinol, and I can't remember what else, but a lot more ingredients with them and higher percentages as well. And that's why you then have the step 2, which is the neutralizing peel, whereas this is all in one peel. It's kind of, I did think it was a bit too good to be true. I think with Dr. Dennis ones, I've noticed a much bigger result. This is kind of just like a nice to have, but I don't think it's kind of going deep into your skin and really doing that much. And I have the Super Retinol plus vitamin C Renewal Moisturiser. So I use this like once or twice a week in the evenings. I don't think this is probably the strongest retinol because I'm using the peels and all the other stuff, and it's fine. I think this is kind of like quite a low percentage of retinol in here. So if you want like major results, I would probably use something a bit stronger. But like if you're doing all your other skincare, all your other peels and stuff, which is what I'm doing, I think this is fine, like once or twice a week. I haven't had any problems with it. I didn't have any kind of like breakouts when I first started using it. I haven't found it too strong. I think I'm quite happy with it. So this one is another hit. So you know, I've got the Japan Fusion Cleanser. This is basically a 10-minute miracle sheet mask. And yeah, it does leave your skin feeling super plumped and hydrated, just so lovely to leave on. When it's on, how long do you leave it on for? I think like 10 minutes. I think these were like, compared to the rest of like beauty pie stuff, I did think these were a little bit on the pricey side. I would have expected like a pack of 3 or 5 for a bit cheaper. Compound, I think this is like 10-11 pounds just for one mask, but it's a good mask, it's nice, it's got all the nice ingredients in it. I think this is kind of supposed to be based off those Charlotte Tilbury masks. Pick me up for your skin before kind of like a big night out or kind of like a big day. Let me know if there's anything you think I should try from Beauty Pie, or anything that I haven't liked, maybe I'm not using it right and you disagree. Let me know. Anyway, I will see you guys soon.